If we want to push safety, clean energy, more accessible energy, TRISO X technology is definitely the way to do it. I think we're going to be the role model for the industry.
We are in the middle of establishing an industrial supply chain in the United States that will give you a more reliable and a safer source of energy.
Most traditional fuels have fuel rods filled with UO2, uranium dioxide pellets, and these things land within a zircaloy cladding. This new fuel is a ceramic encapsulated fuel. What we call source term, which is how much hazardous material can come out during an accident, these are significantly safer, and they can be built within vicinities much closer to cities.
We use what they call high assay, low enriched uranium. It's about 15.5% enriched in U-235. And right now in the United States, there's no supply chain for that enrichment level. The TX-1 plant will be the first of its kind in the history of the Republic. There are no others in the country that do this on a commercial basis.
To give you an idea about the fuel, the kernel is the size of a ballpoint pen tip. And then we coat those 3 layers on top of the kernel. All these layers are measured in microns, and they are made millions at a time. So there's a chemical vapor deposition machine that does all these layers in one go. The temperatures, coating gas fractions, flow rates, coating gas ratios, all these things have to be locked in to get these coatings just right. And then the kernel itself has 6 different processes.
With the HALEU fuel, you get more energy per gram out of the uranium that you put in. By the time you pull a pebble out, it makes like 6 cycles on average through the reactor core. You're burning about 30% of your power at the end of life is coming from plutonium that's inbred from the neutron capture from the uranium-238.
We've developed a technology that is cheap, very easy to implement, and scalable. The challenge is definitely something that I think most people here are willing to go forward with, because if you get it done, it'll change the world.